There is no change. It is only a status quo. And from this result, we realize, that is my personal view, that most of the Garo people, they are still believe in leadership. Not like us here in Khazija, India. We have seen how Captain Sangma, during his time, he is on one side, and BG Momin and other senior leader from regional party on the other side. After that era, we have seen that Purno Sangma and Salseng Marak, people will vote for Congress because Salseng Marak was the leader, and who vote for when Purno Sangma was coming out from the Congress, they vote because leadership is Purno Sangma. And now we have seen that they vote for Conrad or for Dr. Mukul. So this is what my personal analysis, that Garo Hills people, they still believe in leadership. And moreover, when I have seen that the mindset of people since the time when Captain W.A. Sangma merged this SY, though he is not successful, FHLC to the Congress, so their mindset is more of national party. And if you analyze that Garo Hills, they believe in national party. That's why BJP, even during the time of 98, or also they have their own MLA, BJP MLA there. And we have seen also, known except GNC, no regional party come from Garo Hills. In spite of his stature, late Purno Sangma, he never established a regional outfit in Garo Hills, though he know he's a tall leader. First, when he come out from Congress, he joined NCP, a national party. After that, he joined Trinamool, a national party. And after that, he formed NPP, which is also part of national party. So he must have realized that in Garo Hills, to be successful, you have to have a leader, and the people tend to vote for national party. But I'm very happy as a UDP this time, in many of the constituencies which we contest, we could secure quite a substantial number of votes. So yes, I'm very much disappointed. But what I have tell you, it is my own assessment, my own point of view. It's not the point of view of anybody, but as a neutral observer, I'm telling you that what I have seen is that in Garo Hills they still believe in leadership. Because here, you see, except Bahoping, led by Hoping Stone, so we have a very few leader who we count that he can make 3, 4, 5 MLA or MDC wins an election. So this is my personal assessment and what observation which I see. This is a lesson for the Congress. Because Congress, within themselves also, they thought that Dr. Mukul is gone. We can do away with Dr. Mukul. But from this, the Congress should realize that Mukul still have weight. They cannot just throw him out of the party or thing. This is not for me, for the Congress who want to say minus Mukul, so that he is still a force to reckon.